Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to automatically insert serial number in Google Sheets. So let's start. First, open your Google Sheet and select the cell where you want to start serial number. For example, here I select the A2. A is a column, 2 is a row number. Okay, and then use the formula is equal to row. Select the row function in bracket, closed bracket, minus 1. Okay, and press the enter. So here the 1 is showing. Now drag the field handle down to apply the serial number to the other rows, and here you can see the serial number is added. Okay, so this is the way you can automatically insert serial number in Google Sheet. Okay, as I selected A2, if you selected D4, okay, 4 is a row number, D is a column. Then I use the is equal to row. Okay, select the row function, bracket close, minus here 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, now just same as drag the field handle to fill the serial number below the cell. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.